Hi, I'm Emily. Today we are having a leek feast. If you like leek, please follow me. First, slice down the center of the leek, separate the leaf, and you can easily clean the dirt inside the leaf. Our first dish is leek pancake. First, finely chop the leek. Add a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of white pepper, 60 grams of hot water, and mix with a flour until it becomes small lumps. Then add another 60 grams of room temperature water and leek. Knead the mixture into a soft and smooth dough. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Lightly brush some oil onto the surface of the dough and roll it flat using a rolling pin and then start shaping. Lightly brush the pan with oil and pan fry until both sides become golden brown and dish out. And we are done. Next we move on to do the Leek Omelette. We only need 2 eggs and leek. Dish number 3, fried firm tofu with leek. This is the black fungus. The size has become more than triple after soaking in the water. This is a very quick and easy vegetarian dish. Just add a little bit of vegetarian oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and a little bit of water, and mix it well, and we are done. Our final dish with fish. Apply some salt onto the fish and marinate for 10 minutes. Then wash it off and pat dry thoroughly. The purpose of this is to get rid of the fish smell if there is any. Gently and slowly put the fish to a wok with oil at 180 degrees. Deep fry until golden brown and crispy and transfer out to a serving plate. To prepare the leek sauce, we are going to fry the sliced ginger, the minced garlic, the chili, and also the leek. Add a little bit of water, the light soy sauce, and also a little bit of sugar and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour water to thicken the sauce. Pour over the sauce over the fish and our deep fried snapper with leek sauce is done. These are the 4 simple Chinese dishes which we prepared today, and I hope you will like it. Please also remember to subscribe if you would love to support me, and I will see you again in the next week. Bye bye.